Got some cinnamon toast crunch, a little bit of a coconut, and shrimp. We're gonna put it all together for some cinnamon toast crunch, coconut shrimp. We'll use some eggs, we'll use some flour, so let's get to it. First, we're gonna add about 2 cups of this into our Ninja. Then we're just going to pour that right out. And after I got the cinnamon toast crunch all blended up real well, I'm just going to throw about a half a bag of this coconut in here.
Is that unsweetened coconut?
This is sweetened. Of course, you can use unsweetened if you want. And we're just going to mix all that in. Need another bowl here. We're going to go ahead and crack a couple of eggs. And we got the shrimp here. We're going to go ahead and season this up a little bit with some salt and pepper. Some cayenne pepper for a little bit of heat. And throwing on some Spanish paprika. Beautiful looking. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and take a shrimp one by one, and we're going to go ahead and put it straight into the flour. Like that. Drop it in the egg mixture. Then we're going to drop it into the cinnamon toast crunch and coconut. I use the dry hand to move it around. And then look at that. Place that over there, and we'll just keep doing that for all of these. Egg, cereal, and coconut. Cover, baby, cover. And then over here. Look at that. Does that not look great? I can smell the cereal too, but that looks fantastic. So that's some cinnamon toast crunch coconut on those shrimp. We're going to go ahead and also make a sauce with this. I have got some diced mango. I've drained it, and we're going to put it in here. If you have a fresh mango, that'd be good too. And we're going to take some honey. Throw about a little bit, teaspoon, maybe a little more. And we're also going to throw some real lemon in here. Just a little bit.
Not lemon, lime.
A real lime, yeah. We're throwing lime, just a couple of squirts, boom, boom, boom. And then we're also going to throw a little bit of soy. I got the La Choy soy right here. And we're just going to go ahead and put the lid on. Once the shrimp's done, we're going to top it with that sauce. I've been preheating some canola oil out on the Camp Chef in the backyard. Let's go out and put these in. So here we go. We got the cinnamon toast crunch coconut shrimp right here. Does that not look amazing? Look right here on this one. We actually got a square, and that one just looks awesome. I really like that. Here is our sauce, and we're going to go ahead and dip it. Which should we eat, the one here or which one?
Yeah, I say you eat that one.
Let's eat this one. All right, look at that. That is, it's just symbolizing that. The cinnamon. It's hard to say. Cinnamon toast crunch. This is the mango sauce that we made. We're going to dip that all up in here. Wow. Amazing. I want to thank Jim Kitsch Kitchen for this great idea. That is That's incredible. Absolutely incredible.
It smells delicious.
From that mango sauce, that would go great on wings, anything. The coconut, the cinnamon toast crunch. Great stuff. Hashtag cereal party. Check out the others. I'll be watching them. Going to be a lot of great videos out there. Hey, see you guys in the next one.